Jingle bells ringing in my ear. Jingle bell, a sound that's oh so dear. Frosty the snowman is all around town. Watch out for reindeers are falling down. We stay up waiting for Santa tonight. He climbs down the chimney at the speed of light, while we're dancing around the Christmas tree, hugging and kissing just you and me. Carolers are singing outside our door.
Hi everyone, I'm Marie from Southern Country Living, and today I'm making beef stroganoff soup, and I think this is really going to be a good dish for me and Calvin's dinner later on tonight. And it sure is a pretty day today here, and it's cool, and we're going to have frost warnings tonight. So this is just the perfect meal for our dinner tonight. And here are the ingredients. It's egg noodles, beef broth, garlic, minced garlic, sour cream, Worcestershire sauce, olive oil, cornstarch, parsley, salt and black pepper, 1 whole diced onion. I have some stew beef here in my bowl, and this is Chuck, and Calvin cut it up for me just a few minutes ago, so he's been very helpful today. Calvin is my husband, for y'all that don't know, and he's also the cameraman, and he also edits. Okay, and also I have my mushrooms washed, and I dried them off. And so let me get started on this good meal. All right, I have 2 tablespoons of olive oil in my pan, and so I'm going to salt and pepper my stew beef. And then I'm going to put it in my pot. I'm going to stir this up just a little bit. Okay. Now then I'm going to put this stew beef in my pot and brown it. It's really sizzling up a storm. You can also cook this dish in a crock pot. Okay, my stew beef is browned on all sides now. So I'm going to turn my heat down a little bit and put it in my bowl. So now then I'm going to put about a tablespoon of olive oil in my pan. Now that I've got my beef out, and I'm going to saute my onion. I'm going to saute this for about 5 minutes or until they get translucent. So now I'm going to add in my garlic. And my mushrooms.
Marie, that sure is smelling good right now.
I know it has a really good smell to it, doesn't it? Onions always do. Okay. All right, my vegetables have sauteed now. I had my onions and garlic and mushrooms in there. So now I'm going to be adding in my beef broth. Also, this recipe said that you can add in some cooking wine, but we're not doing that step. Okay. Now then I'm going to put in my Worcestershire sauce. Okay. I'm going to stir this really good. And I'm going to add my beef. Okay, I just added my meat, and so I'm going to bring this up to a boil. And when it comes up to a boil, then I'm going to let it simmer for about 45 minutes. Okay, my soup has came up to a boil now, so I'm going to reduce the heat and cover it and let it go for 45 minutes. Okay, my stroganoff is almost done, so I'm going to cook my noodles now. I'm going to be cooking them for about 8 minutes in boiling water. This is smelling good in here. Okay, my soup, it's been cooking for an hour now. I let it cook 15 extra minutes. And so now I'm going to put my lid down. And I'm going to add, this right here is 3 tablespoons of cornstarch and 3 tablespoons of water. So I'm going to mix all this up. Okay. I'm going to put this in my soup. Okay, now that I got my cornstarch in my soup, I'm going to cook it till it slightly thickens. Okay, I'm going to take my soup off the eye. Okay, my soup has slightly thickened now, so now I'm going to put in my noodles. And my sour cream. I'm going to put in about 1/2 cup. And now I'm going to add in some parsley. I'm back and my beef stroganoff soup smells amazing. And so I'm going to plate me and Calvin up a plate right now. How do you think it smells, Calvin?
Oh, I'm loving it. It really smells good.
I think this is going to beat that hamburger beef stroganoff any day, don't you, Calvin?
Oh, I know it will.
Okay, I'm going to put just another dab of sour cream on it. Okay, and a little parsley. Okay, so now I'm going to do my favorite part. Calvin, do you want to taste this too?
Yeah, I'll let you go ahead and taste it, Ray.
Okay. That taste is really amazing. It's very good. Let me get one of those mushrooms. Those mushrooms are really good in it too. Okay. Calvin, I think you need to come over here and sample this.
Okay. You talked me into it. I've already sampled the meat a few minutes ago, so I know it was real good. That's good and creamy, just like stroganoff is supposed to be. Real good, Marie. I love it. You did good on this, Marie. I can't wait to sit down and eat this whole bowl.
Well, okay, I guess.
I'll give it 5 stars.
All right, that's what I give it also.
Yeah, definitely give it 5 stars because it is very, very delicious.
The only thing,
I don't know if I can wait to get in here to finish eating it though.
the only thing that might made it a little bit better if you put the cooking wine in it.
And we don't usually use that, do we?
No, we don't. But some people would think that that might be missing. And but I think it's good without it.
I do too, Marie. I think it's very delicious.
So I guess we're going to close this video out and go eat our good stroganoff amazing soup. And we hope y'all have a great weekend. And so y'all do what you love and love what you do. And we'll see y'all in the next video. Bye.
Hold up, I am on my way. I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time.